What a Money Monday morning it was. Let's dive in and let's talk about it. Today we're going to go over our weekly watchers watch list. That's the stocks we are eyeing down for the upcoming week. A couple of them we already tag a bag on. Let's get it, guys. For those of you guys that don't know, the weekly watchers is found in our app or on the website at thestocksnipers.com, and it's a list of stocks, about usually 10 or more. We call them opportunities for us to make money in this upcoming week. Now, we're not telling you to just go out and buy these stocks. The idea is you want to set alerts, and when they do break certain resistance spots, as long as they're holding support levels, you want to go for it. And that's actually where I'm going to walk through this weekly watchers watch list. We have 18 new opportunities this week, so tons of opportunities out there, and we already started the brand new Money Monday with 2 bags from this. We had an OTC one to start the new week, and then we had MCOM that made the move that we looked for. Now, we do release this on Monday morning on YouTube, Monday afternoon, so check out the team if you want to have this right away. This week is a brand new week, but it is the famous cannabis holiday 420. Will be coming up on Thursday. So we are going to be keeping our eye on the cannabis sector. We like to talk about what sector we're looking at for the week. We'll start off by saying the cannabis sector is the one we'll keep an eye on. We'll start off with OTC stocks, and then we'll make our way to listed stocks after. And we will start off with an OTC sub-penny stock that we made money on over the weekend, AITX. We were looking for the follow-up green day after a first green day it made on Friday, and we got that. Now it's consolidating above 0068, so as long as it can hold that spot, we'll look to possibly double dip this week and get another bag later. ABML is a stock that made a big spike last month, and now it's been downtrending pretty much for 2 straight weeks, holding a certain range of 73 cents and right below 80 cents. So the day it breaks above 80 cents is the day we're going to be looking to play it. DPLS is another sub-penny stock like AITX, was a former big runner that used to go crazy, but the volume has disappeared. Usually those stocks that go crazy know how to go crazy again, so we're eyeing down DPLS to possibly get some volume and get a spike this upcoming week. CYDY is a stock that's also on multiple downward days. We were able to tag a bag on the upward about a month and a half ago, and now we're looking to take advantage of it as it comes back down to the certain key level of 26 cents. 26 cents is the spot we're looking to take advantage of it. DVLP is another sub-penny stock. So it seems like we got a couple sub-pennies, but with sub-penny, higher risk, higher reward. Check out DVLP to hold 0045 and break above 005. If it breaks above 005, that'll be the day we'll be eyeing down DVLP. CORZQ, this one is one that nice run last week, making new 3-month highs above 44 cents. Now we want to see it consolidate right above that area for a couple days and then curl back around to that 6-month high of 515. So we want to see this actually consolidate a couple days and later on in the week come back around. And last but certainly not least in the OTC markets is GMZP. GMZP is an OTC sub-penny stock that got a crazy panic. 016 all the way down to 006. So huge panic on Friday, and if it panics one more time this week, we're going to look to take advantage of it. Now, these next list of stocks, these are a list of OTC cannabis stocks. We don't like to take advantage of one of these plays or buy any of these plays unless one of the sector leaders, MSOS or TLRY, are having a nice green day. So unless we see a nice green day out of those two, we most likely won't look to take advantage of these. But we're looking at CURLF, CRLBF, GTBIF, TCNNF, PLNHF, and CGC for the listed stock cannabis growth. And now let's talk about the stock we tagged a bag on, and let's dive into the listed plays. MCOM, as you guys can see right here, the stock has made multiple downward days, all the way from a high 4s coming all the way down to 150. Now, we're just looking for that red to green momentum move, and that's exactly what we got this week. Start the week off with a nice bag. MCOM worked out exactly like we were looking for. You break out of 155, and that's the red to green move. That's exactly where we decided to get in, using 150 as cut. So only a 3% risk, looking for about 10% to 15% upside, and it gives us that 15% push in the span of 2 minutes. So this is one of the quicker bags that we've had here, spiking from 155 all the way up to 180 in 2 minutes. We decided after nice spike, grab the bag, and we were able to come away with 1,300 there on the day, and in 2 minutes there in MCOM. BBBY is another one that worked out perfectly. Unfortunately, we weren't there for the big spike in the morning like MCOM. We were ready for it. We bought it. BBBY happened a little quicker, but we still probably could have taken advantage of it because we were looking at it and we were waiting for these moments to happen. When you have preparation, that's why we say preparation is key in this game. You should be able to shoot your sniper. And that's why we create these watch lists. So BBBY, shout out to everyone that took advantage of it. It actually spiked all the way to 32 cents from all the way down at 24 cents. MULN is a listed EV related stock that our favorite of 2022, so we can't leave it off of this list. We mean our favorite by the most profitable. 10 cents is a key spot in any stock, and especially with MULN. If it holds 10 cents, we're looking to take advantage of the first green day. And the last two are first red day shorts, just because these stocks have had multiple green days, and now, just like a first green day, we're looking for that first red day. So it's just the opposite of a first green day. If you're not familiar with shorting, we're just looking for a first red day on the way down. RIOT, that's a Bitcoin-related stock that a lot of people know about. RIOT and MARA, M-A-R-A, are the two Bitcoin stocks that usually spike when Bitcoin spikes. Bitcoin's been having a nice spike the past 2 weeks, coming above 30K. But after 2 weeks of spiking, it's got to calm down soon. Even if it wants to continue, we still think it needs to cool down a little bit. And if it does cool down this week, we'll look to short RIOT. And last but certainly not least is CRIS, C-R-I-S. It has multiple green days, and it's coming up to key spot of 104, 103. If it's able to break $1 but not go crazy and gets rejected at 103, we're looking to possibly first red day short this thing using 110 area as cut, looking for that $1 crack all the way back down. So great work today. Shout out to everyone that tagged a bag on MCOM and BBBY this morning. Great work tagging a bag from the weekly watchers. That's why we say preparation is key. We come out with this watch list every Monday morning. Make sure to log into the website and just early morning read with your coffee. Check it out. See if what kind of stocks are on there. See if possibly one is you've been eyeing down, and you can possibly tag a bag with us. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll be back here next week with another weekly watchers. Peace. Let's keep tagging bags.